side.
Yeah.
They say whichever part needs the
More work.
the more work. Yeah. So we'll
That'd
see.
be my
I'm like-
legs.
Yeah. Okay. I guess we'll get nourishing. You guys have your mask?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do. Oh, good thing we're doing it on Sephora because it's really good with views. Yours is pretty juicy.
It's
very
juicy too.
Oh, you dripping
There's
wet.
no way that my
That's
mind
ready.
doesn't go there.
Smells so amazing. Seriously.
Oh. I'm gonna scare my audience. Why am I eating my mask?
Don't make me laugh. It's gonna make my mask come off.
Okay, here we go. He said, put the excess on your neck.
Oh yeah, I remember now.
Yeah.
And then on your hands.
And I like to do it on the elbows, like the roughest part. Yeah. Get that
Get that
extra
juice.
serum.
Get that juice. Rub it in.
Oh my god! This is Jess's video! Oh, the last. Okay. What color would you like?
Oh,
we
we're
have it on the last day.
You guys seriously?
This is just. Okay. Okay, we're taking off the mask. Oh, thank goodness.